In this video, we'll go over how to configure custom data objects, or CDOs, in the Asset Naming Assistant for Marketo. This setup helps map system and business categories to track and manage asset creation and renaming seamlessly. To get started, go to the Configuration page and open the CDO Configuration tab. Before configuring a CDO, make sure at least one custom data object already exists in your Marketo instance. Click on the drop-down and select a CDO from the list. This defines which object you'll map to your categories. Once a CDO is selected, you'll see three types of mapping options. System categories are predefined by Marketo. Business categories represent the custom fields or categories you've created under the Categories section in Asset Naming Configuration. Tag categories let you classify assets more flexibly using tags. Let's complete field mapping by selecting the appropriate system fields for each option. Click on Save button once done.